What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So let's see what's going on with BABA. Last time I looked at it was back on July 12th, and that was right about at the $80 level. You see that price was trying to get back above the $80 level but failed because that was prior support, but now it has turned into resistance. So you can see that it was support here, 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 and here. Price broke below that level, tried to get back above it. It was a fake breakout, got rejected, got back below it, found resistance here, and just recently again. So not a good sign that price cannot break above the $80 level. It's not the end of the world, but it's not a good sign. There's a lot of things going on in the chart, so let's go and clear the drawings and just go over the major things. So we can go and mark that $80 level, which is right here, overhead resistance, and obviously the yellow range that price fell back inside of. So it's not a good sign that price is back inside that yellow sideways trading range. You can see that most of the time price likes to spend this time between 70 and 78, and now price is back in that range. There's this upward trend line in play that price can bounce off of, but at the same time there is this downward trend line in place. So a lot of indecision in the market. Traders are just playing both sides. They're being a bear and a bull depending on where price is relative to the range. Not really trending in any particular direction. It's not really like in an uptrend or in any downtrend. There's some short-term trends, but overall it's just a range pattern. It's been at the same price level the entire year, basically. Mid 70s for most of its time this year. It's coming to a critical point, meaning where we have resistance and support in the next coming weeks, meeting up at the same area. So we'll see what price wants to do, what traders want to do, where the big money wants to take the price. But as right now, it's not bullish, and it's not that bearish either. But as right now, since it's inside the yellow range, it's more indecisive, more indecision than anything. But again, it's the long term outlook for BABA is not good. That it cannot get back above the $80 level. It needs to get back above the $80 level if it wants to have a sustainable uptrend. Until then, this is going to be leaning towards neutral and even more bearish than anything. So that's all I have on the daily chart. Not much else to say there. It's not really doing anything. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. What do I see? Well, price is below the $80 level. It tried to make a measure move up, surpassing the prior high right over here, but it's not able to. And you can see that price is still leaning more towards the downside. So again, we'll see what happens. This could just be maybe a retest or a lower high for the downside. Meaning like we already had two legs back, one leg right here, two legs right, and second leg marks two legs. Price came back in, found resistance. This could just be a lower high for a possible another leg down, and that would take price right around the $62 level where the prior low was at also. So we'll see what happens. As right now, it's neutral, but it's leaning more towards the downside because price got rejected from the $80 level. And we'll see what happens for BABA. It's still not bullish as of right now. You can even see that price is kind of making significant lower highs, and we are seeing higher lows. So that's a good sign right here. So we'll see what happens. BABA is neutral overall, but is leaning more towards the downside because we got rejected from the $80 level. That's all I have for BABA on the daily weekly charts, and most likely I'll give you guys an update sometime next week. So Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.